Okay, guys. So I found a good use. So honestly, spring is literally only good for one thing. Its F ability, which does this. But what I'm trying to say is, like, I found the perfect spot to do this. So, like, you gotta come on this arch. And a flash step on top. This is on Mansion 30, by the way. And then hold F. So yeah, troll people with this if you want. I don't care. Just it's funny. It's loud. And loud equal. Okay. Anyways, bye.